Hello, I'm Alan DeMonso, one of your instructors in the Baking and Pastry Arts program. The only thing better than eating pastry is baking it yourself, so others can enjoy it too. Baking and Pastry Arts is a 2-year diploma program. We start with the fundamentals, baking theory, nutrition, safety, sanitation, and trade calculations, and graduate into more sophisticated skills like baking for alternative diets, business concepts, showpiece making, and plated desserts. From simple cookies to elaborate showpieces, you'll develop the skills you need to thrive in any workplace. If you decide you really want to make the most of your career, you can use the Baking and Pastry program to challenge apprenticeship exams on your way to becoming a journeyman baker. And yes, you get to eat your homework too, of course after it's been marked. NAIT's Baking and Pastry Arts program is committed to your success, and we look forward to seeing you soon.